So hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out any tutorials like this. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can build your own free online store using Canva. That's right, using Canva. You don't necessarily need expensive third-party platforms or complicated e-commerce builders. Canva has all the basics you need to create a stunning, fully functional store. And when paired with a tool like Stripe, Stripe, you can even start accepting payments easily. So let's jump right into it, but before we jump into the video, make sure to check the link in the description box and in the pinned comment. So first things first, we need to create a website using Canva. So start by logging into Canva. As you can see, I am already logged into Canva. So if you don't have an account into it, so don't worry, you can easily create an account in Canva for free. So just log into Canva using your email account. So let's browse through the option. So first of all, here you can see this search bar. Here you have to search for website. As today I am gonna create a website portfolio. So now let's browse through this option. And here you can see multiple templates. Either you can choose to start from a blank canvas or select a template, and for today's video, to make this quicker and easier, I'm going to pick a random template from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this template right here. Just tap onto it and you have to tap onto this option called use this template. Here you can see this little crown option, crown logo. This is basically the premium templates. Like you can only use it when you have a pro account, but for today's video, as I don't have an pro account, I'm gonna use a random free one. So for example, I'm gonna choose another one like this. Just tap onto it, and from there you can see this option called customize this template. You just have to simply tap onto it. So here we can see template. So if you want to edit this template, you can just simply tap on any text if you want to edit text, and just enter your personal addresses. Like, as I am making template right now, so I'm gonna choose something like makeup or beauty. So I'm gonna tap beauty company like this. Like this. And if you want to change the background photo, right click on it and then tap on to detach image from the background, and here you can see that now you can delete this image easily. Now if you want to add an image from here, go to this option called uploads, click on to uploads, and from uploads you can choose your files if you already have downloaded some types of pics. For example, I'm gonna choose a random pic right now, like this, and just gonna add it to here. So this is a simple one. Now if you want to edit more text like this, here you can see you just have to enter your random prompt here and they will be added. So for now I'm gonna keep it to the default one. Here you can see there's more text. If you want to edit the text, you just simply have to tap onto text, and from text you can choose multiple fonts from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one because this is a free one. Then from there you have to double click on it and you can just randomly choose your text. Like, you can customize your text. For example, I'm gonna choose beauty. Okay, perfect beauty. Perfect beauty. So, and if you want to change the color text, you just have to choose it, and from there you have to right click on it. Wait, let me find the option. Here you can see this option called A. If you want to change your text color, just tap onto it, and from there you can choose many colors. As you can see, my color is changed. I'm gonna choose it to another one like this, and that's it. So you can edit text like this on Canva. Now let's move forward to how you can add many more elements from here like this. Here you can see this option called elements. If you want to use any images, like if you want to add any logo type images, you just simply have to tap onto this, and after clicking onto this you can customize its size like this, as I am doing it here. Then you have to choose your pics, like what type of pics you want to add. For example, I'm gonna add this lady pic because this is an AI made pic. Now if you want to add it to the frame, here you can see it is just fit. So this is how you can do it. And now let's move forward to other options, like if you want to add some glowing effects or any other type of effects. So for example, I'm gonna choose sparkle. So just tap sparkle on the search bar and then search it. Here you can see multiple types of sparkles, like this one is video one, and here are many more sparkle effects. For now I'm going to choose a simple free image for like this one. And if you want to make it backwards, so just wait a few seconds. Like if you want to add it to the backwards, just right click on it, and from there you can see this sixth option called layer. Tap onto layer, and from there you have to tap onto send backwards, and here you can see the images in the back side. So this is pretty much it. And if you want to send it more backward, then tap onto layer again and then tap onto send to back. So this is how you can edit your store, like customize your store. And if you want to add more pages like this, so you just simply have to tap on this plus icon, which is basically the add page. Just tap onto it, and here we go. You can see that there is another page to open here. You can also tap onto add section, and you can add the layer. Like while you browse the website, you can see that instead of going to another page, some browser has the system to scroll down and you will be redirected to another page like this. So you can either do this, or also you can do this by simply adding add page. So if you want to add these pages like this for your store, then again you have to choose pictures to add like this. You can add your customizable pictures or product pic if you already have a product. So for now I'm gonna tap and send it to backwards right now, like send to backward, and then customize it right here. I'm gonna add more pictures here, and okay, I'm gonna remove this picture and take it into a into a frame. So I just showed you earlier that how you can add frame to it. So just choose a frame which fits you, then you have to upload the image you want to add. Wait, as you can see it here, yes, the image is added. So this is simple. And now let's move forward to how you can share it to your store. So if you want to website URL site, and just paste your website URL here. So this is pretty much it. This is how you can publish your product images and design your product like online store with Canva fully free. Now let's preview. Let me show you how you can preview your Canva store, like designed store. Here you can see this option at the bottom right corner, the third one called preview. You just have to simply tap onto preview, and here you go. That now you can see your previewed page. And if you want to go to page 2 like this, here I just did. Here you can see at the top right corner little text called page 1, page 2. If I created more page, it will show like page 3, page 4 like that. Just tap onto pages, and here you can see this. And also here the image I didn't edit, so you can see your products here easily. And if you want to edit the title of the page like this, you can see this option called here. This one, the text here, you can just simply tap onto it and remove it and add your random title. So this is the simplest way that how you can design your online store with Canva. So now let me show you how you can connect it to Stripe and start earning money. So you just have to simply go to Stripe and log in using your Google account, and from there you have to tap onto payments and then you have to choose payment links. Now you have to add new and then you have to enter your product details here, and you have to copy your store's URL like this from here and then paste the link right here by tapping on the option called add links. Wait, let me find the option. Like here you can see, you just have to enter all of your product details. At the top right corner you can see this option called create link. Tap onto it and it will generate you a link. So here you can see this is the link. So this is how you can create a free online store with Canva and start earning by using Stripe. So if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. No more today. See you in the next video, and don't forget to check out the link in the comment box and in the description. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.